lot of new people. Also have met old acquaintances, friends, so it was good to reconnect with them and learned a lot today.
It was good. My focus is enrollment recruitment and accelerating first patient in, and the relationship between sites and sponsors and CROs, and it was really good. It was very informative.
It was a good day, very educational. I learned a lot, interacted a lot.
My day's been great. I just facilitated the roundtable discussion on expediting timelines, study startup from feasibility to first patient in. The group was really engaged. We had a good cross-functional representation from supply chain to regulatory, as well as some project management and study management team members. So had a lot of good perspectives, different indications. We had some team members that run oncology trials, as well as others in rare diseases, and thought it was a really healthy discussion where people were asking questions as well as providing their advice and guidance from their own experience.
It was a very informative day, very clear roundtables. I met people from different companies and learned new things in 2 different roundtables, and the discussions also were very informative.
So far it went phenomenal. Saying frankly, the 2 morning roundtables were excellent, and I learned a lot about the impact of the artificial intelligence and the KPI. The both presenters or actually facilitators were excellent, and the audience were very, very involved, very much shared the information. So it was extremely useful. Thank you very much.
I had the opportunity of coordinating a roundtable panel on the topic of private equity and venture investments in the life science arena, that's specifically on pre-inflection valuation, that how companies are basically evaluated by venture capital. So it's a great engaging discussion.
I think it's fairly diverse. There are folks from clinical, early development, on the business side of things, venture capital. So it was a very good mix of folks from the technical side of things, but also on the business and finance side of things as well.
Very good. We had all people ranging from scientists to investors to management. So it was very diverse.
I thought it was great. We had a CEO in attendance, as well as a project manager, someone from supply chain, and we also had someone attending. She's an outsourcing lead. So it was really good cross-functional representation in the group.
It was actually very diverse. There was someone from quality control, supply chain, logistics, a couple people from regulatory and clinical operations, and myself from quality and program management.
The today's morning session was extremely diversified. So I was really pleased to see a very broad kind of spectrum of experience and educational and companies, universities, so that was excellent.
I really enjoyed the engagement that I had in my particular session. We run everything from academics all the way out to a venture capital limited partner, as well as a venture partner in the group. So we had some really engaging discussions.
Really good. I've got a few contacts. We'll certainly be following up. So yeah, it was awesome.
I think it was great. As I mentioned previously, I met new people. I was able to reconnect with friends and acquaintances I haven't seen for quite some time to catch up. And it looks like there'd be a couple of possible work business opportunities that might come out from this. So I've already have some follow-up to do as well.
Networking was excellent. I met a few new people on the founding side, on the investment, as well as scientific side.
Yesterday, and it was very engaging because there's such a very large breadth and depth of people who attend this conference.
Absolutely.
I would come back again.
I definitely would. Just let me know a little bit in advance.
I think this was my 3rd or 4th year.
And I'm really grateful to have been invited to facilitate, and I thought I brought a lot of good perspective and was able to help guide the team through the discussion. I would love to come back and learn from my colleagues on other topics for running clinical trials.
I will absolutely come back again. There's a lot of great information to be shared, as well as to get information in this roundtable format and one-on-one discussion. So thank you for inviting me back.
Absolutely. It's a really nice conference format. It's not a huge meeting. It's relatively small, focused, and the opinion can be shared very easily. There are no restrictions, you don't need any legal approval just to speak up. So that's a format is excellent.